Describe the techniques of scientific management. Some of the major techniques of scientific management are as follows. First, work study. Second, standardization of tools and equipments. Third, scientific task setting. Fourth, scientific selection and training. Fifth, functional organization. Sixth, differential piece rate wage plan. First point, work study. Before assigning the work to the available workforce, proper work study should be done by management. Work study consists of an organized, systematic and critical assessment of the various activities of or functions. Work study is based on the techniques such as time study, motion study, method study and fatigue study. A. Time study. It is the technique of observing and recording the time taken by an employee to complete a given task. With the help of time study, the precise time required for each element of work is determined. It is the technique used for fixing the standard time required to do a particular task under given condition. It is useful to measure the efficiency of an employee and to control the cost of work. B. Method study. There are always various methods of completing the task. For best quality and cost effectiveness, identifying the best method of doing a particular job is very important but challenging task for a manager. It helps in reducing the wastage of time, raw material and in improving the utility of all resources as per predefined objectives. It is helpful in determining the methods for handling the raw materials, transportation, inspection, storage, etc. C. Motion study. The study of required motion means movement of an employee as well as machines while completing a particular task is very important. It is useful in eliminating unnecessary motions and finding the best method of doing a particular job. It also helps in improving the efficiency of the employees. Motion technique is used to know whether some elements of a job can be eliminated or their sequence can be changed for smooth flows of task. D. Fatigue study. Generally long working hours without sufficient breaks, target pressure, heavy working tools and poor working conditions result into physical and mental stress, that is fatigue. It has an adverse effect on the health and efficiency of the employees. The study of fatigue and steps to reduce the level of fatigue is very important to maintain the operational efficiency of the employees. Second point, standardization of tools and equipments. With the result of experiments conducted at workplace, Taylor advocated standardization of tools and equipments. Standardized working environment and methods of production helps to reduce spoilage and wastage of material, cost of production, fatigue among the workers, and it improves quality of work. Third point is scientific task setting. Taylor emphasized the need for fixing a fair day's work. Scientific work setting is important to prevent the employees from doing work much below their capacity. By using this technique, employees will complete tasks according to standards given and management can keep proper control on optimum utilization of workforce. Fourth point is scientific selection and training. Management can select right person for the right job by using scientific selection procedures. It needs to fix job specification as per requirement. Employees are selected according to predetermined standard in an impartial way. After selection, management should provide the proper training programs to increase their efficiency. Fifth point, functional organization. In this concept of Taylor, planning is separated from implementation. That means planning is done by different people and actual work is supervised by different people. Thus, every worker will be supervised by two different sets of supervisors. He recommended total 8 foremen to control the various aspects of production. They are categorized as follows. A. At planning level. First, route clerk tells how work move from one machine to other. Second, instruction clerk records instruction to complete the work. Third, time and cost clerk determines time in which work should be completed and work out the cost. Fourth, discipline ensures that the workers are working as per factory rules. B. At implementation level. First, gang boss actual gets the work done. Second, speed boss ensures that the work is completed in specified time. Third, repair boss handles security and maintenance of mechanisms. Fourth, inspector ensures that the work is done as per the specified standards. According to Taylor, with the help of proper division of all activities into planning and implementation, management can definitely achieve the required performance from the employees. 6 point differential piece rate wage plan. Remuneration should be fixed in such a way that average worker is motivated to attain a standard output. Taylor suggested the differential piece wage system. Higher rates are offered to employees who complete the work more than the standard quantity under this system. On the other hand, if an employee is performing below the standard, he shall be given lower rate of wages. This technique motivates the employees to attain higher standard performance and earn wages, that is remuneration, at higher rate.